Hi everyone, this is Teena Thankachan, and I am trying to develop a hurricane detector as a part of my deep learning final project. My problem statement is detecting the development of hurricane patterns using satellite images and radar images by passing them through multi-layer deep neural net convolutional networks using Keras and Python. I'm using TensorFlow at the back end. The different tools and technologies used are Keras, TensorFlow, Python, and NVIDIA is the GPU card, Jupyter Notebook, and Windows 10 is the operating system. The data sources for this project are from Google Images, weather.com satellite and radar images, NASA satellite images, and National Hurricane Center images. These are some sample images of non-hurricane and hurricane-like wind pattern images which were used and labeled to pass through the networks. Uh, the process involves converting the data into training and testing set, relabeling them as cyclone yes or cyclone no labels, and then passing them through image data generator systems to generate more images with the same labels, but with some change in zoom or stretching the images or changing some portion of the image. Then the images were pre-processed by converting them into grayscale images and resizing them into 150 by 150 images. The labels were converted into categorical variables for the output for the prediction models. The data was passed through CNN Model 1 and Model 2 architectures, and these two models were evaluated based on accuracy and loss, out of which we found that Model 1 is a better model, and this is the kind of image which was passed to it, and the model came out with the prediction that the Caribbean satellite for 5620 shows that there are some chances of possible cyclones. We can see that the accuracy of model 2 was much higher, a little bit higher than the model 1, but the loss for model 2 was much higher than the loss for model 1 on the training as well as the testing set. So model 1 was used for the network. These are the predicted outputs for different images that were passed, and we can see the Mexico satellites were showing some kind of cyclone for 5.5, and the Caribbean satellite pictures were showing some cyclone possibilities for 5.6. All the other Atlantic images and later Mexican region satellites and Caribbean region satellites were showing no cyclone possibilities. Summary: we can use this kind of network if correctly tuned for very good application for predicting the hurricanes, timely warnings, for managing medical supplies and communication. This kind of network would help in saving human and material loss, but would need a lot of training data and correctly labeled images. These are the sources that I used for this project. Thanks, and it was great developing this.